my name is Naomi, and today we're gonna make a origami shamrock. And it's very easy and perfect for Happy St. Patrick's Day. So let's get started. So it all starts out with paper. So let's get started. There's a trick to make a square with regular paper. Like square paper like this. There's a trick to do it. So you fold like this. You have to fold the corner, and then you cut the extra rectangle thing. After you do that, let's get started. Alright, so firstly, we gotta fold this triangle all the way to this other corner. And with this other corner. And we try this. Oh. There you go. You got a perfect triangle. And then you unfold it, you just open back and do the same thing on the other corners. After you fold 4 corners, it's time to fold 4 sides. It's going to take a long time. I'm gonna fast forward. There we have it. We got 8 sides folded. This is where maybe it gets a little bit tricky. Alright, so you fold it, so you keep it full when you do the last fold. You hold this, and then wash carefully. Do like a little triangle thingy. Be careful. Big papers are hard to see, so I need to move the camera. And then do the same thing for the other side. There you go. And then you fold half. This is not an origami paper, so it will be a little bit hard to fold than normal origami paper. There you go. You fold in half after you did the triangle thingy across this. You might give like a booklet effect thingy. Alright. Anyways, you fold this thing. Alright. Like this. I believe it's like this way. As the clover stem. And then wrong side. Sorry guys, wrong side. And then you open this like this. And you do the same thing for the other four. Open it and use your finger or nails to help it keep open. Sometimes you just open that place. Also each of them has to follow these pointy stuff. The folder doesn't have pointy stuff. Maybe that's a little too. There you go. Alright, we're gonna do the other side. Again, we have to speed. And there we have it, our shamrock. So this is how we make a clover. Thank you for watching. This is perfect for St. Patrick's Day, but I know it's past already. But you can give it to someone for a gift or something. Thank you for watching how to make this origami shamrock. Now, do you like it? Great! Now, if you like our videos, please like, subscribe, or share my video. Bye! See you next time. Have a lucky day. Thank you for watching. I was about to say piggy store.